Even though curfew extend केलेलो आसा governmentan, how do you see the situation in Goa region?
कर्फ्यू आहलो मग आज मातशे केसीस देंवल्यो. सी इनडायरेक्टली द कर्फ्यू वॉज सारको इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्पीड. म्हणजे जी स्पीड जाल्या ब्रेक इट वॉज कोवीड जो तर कर्फ्यू जो तर मातशें पयलीं लायल्लो बऱ्या पडटालो. आमी वी वर इन्सिस्टींग दॅट दॅट कर्फ्यू पयलीं लाया मग. कोवीड केसीस आतां मातशें देंवलाय बट स्टील इट इज नॉट अंडर कंट्रोल in the sense that people who are getting COVID are getting again. People who have undergone COVID are having problems. I'm writing tomorrow to the health minister and to the chief minister that we have to prepare for a fallout of this COVID. कोणा स्ट्रोक जावपा लागले, कोणा आनी कितें जावपा लागले, रिलेटेड डिजीजीस, डायबिटीज जावपा लागला. So related disease of COVID मातशें study करूया. Call the patients and make a study and prepare the dossier for the next round.
Okay.
COVID जालें काय ना, we have to prepare for the next round. Now third wave. Third wave विचेर preparation चालू आहाय. They are doing their best, but that real effort to curtail it is not there. Doctors are doing a very good job. I salute the doctors. I salute the staff for doing a tremendous good job. No doubt, they have failed at times. It's human. No doubt, they have not even seen some patients. Patients were left just like that. No doubt. But still, I say, in these existing circumstances, when they're getting no support, when the doctors, when the medical associations told the government, have a curfew, you will not be able to manage it. They just kept quiet.
Okay.
So you cannot blame the doctors. The government is responsible. The people at the helm of affairs are totally responsible for this mess. Now the second part is for the third wave. We need to do something more. We need to get more NICUs, more ICUs for the children. They are called NICUs, and it's relative. See what Maharashtra has been doing. If I talk of Maharashtra, somebody comments. We are talking of Goa and Maharashtra and all that. There is no question of Goa and Maharashtra. We are Goans. We fight for ourselves, but we should follow some good people.
Okay.
They've been able to do a good job. They've been able to put NICUs, everything in place, so that they take the next wave by the bull by the horns. So I'm expecting that from this government. We have got a lot of time. I think we have got more than 15-20 days, maybe 1 month. I don't know.
Yeah.
I pray that nothing happens.
Do you feel that it is
Because
not?
only COVID so far has saved. God has saved us.
Do you think so? Not only 14, but फुडें extend जावंक जाय न्ही curfew?
No, that you have to take a call. What happens is business and all that has to be, types of businesses, which commence करपाच्यो, कित करपाच्यो, मातशें slowly दिवपाचें. Protocol बी हें कोन्न. हितू दीस बंद दोन, तांकां आतां almost they know what is the reality. What they have gone through. COVID जाल्यार, I'm telling the people also, I'm telling my people also, COVID जाल्यार काय ना, इतू easy न्ही तें. It is not to be taken so lightly. COVID जायन आपूण बरो जाल बी म्हणाका, ताका सायड इफेक्ट भरपूर आहाय. जावपाकूय दिवपा जायना. आमी म्हणतो lucky आहाय. I am very lucky. God has been very kind to me. I have been so kind. Maybe आमी कितें जाल्यार बरें केलां आसलें, देवान आमकां सांबाळलें तें. So हांव मागोता सगळीं safe रावाय. Don't take the risk. But regarding the curfew opening, I think some relaxation will have to be done because industry people, some are without jobs, some are without salaries. So तें बरें adjustment कोन्न कितको करपा तें. Take the advice of the medical field. Let them advise. Let experts in the field exam. We are not experts. We are just followers. Take the advice. Take a wise decision. And with respect to vaccine, I want to tell the chief minister that at put change konnaka. Sogल्या open kore and priority. Don't say this fellow is prioritized, that fellow is prioritized. To capacity hani sogल्या open kore. And हाने कोस आता घरान काम करताय लोक. आमी जाय जाणां इश्यू केलो मायग्रंट्स आमी दिसनी आनी कोणा दिसनी म्हण. But remember, they are working in your houses. ते भुरग्यां मदीं हाय. I have been having demands from people from housing board saying that ती कामां येताय तांकांय वॅक्सीन दिया पण तांकां आधार कार्ड ना. Keep it open for everybody. Every human being is important.
What
There is
is-
not differences between this fellow and that fellow. We give preference to our people. Our people we give preference. In my Kurtori, I opened a COVID center. I was instrumental in shifting the vaccination center to a church. Gave me free hall. I did a beautiful arrangements. Go and see it. No, I'm not trying to show off. Those who want to see, those who want to, this who comment there, go and see what we are doing in Kurtori.
What you
In the Sarkin Church Center Alex Hall. Beautiful arrangement very well. We have got sincere volunteers who are doing a very good job.
Yeah, what do you have to say about those ministers like Babu Asgankar Movin, who says opposition has not played enough role as far as creating awareness on vaccination? काल बाबून एक स्टेटमेंट देखून असो केलो की ऑपोजिशनान आन्सर दिवपाक जाय.
कोण बाबू?
बाबू आसगांवकर.
Take it, the show must go on. You leave him. Sang, ani kona?
आणि एक इशू म्हणटा पळय
Who
तो
else has spoken?
मोविन also.
Bobin is too busy. They are making a fool out of him in the GST. He thinks he's quite an intelligent guy. I want to tell him, use your intelligence for good things. Don't use your intelligence for wrong things.
But he had said that तेन कितें interest
He doesn't know. See that Tamil Nadu toge to konto.
Finance minister.
Finance minister has mocked at him. So you can understand where, at what level he is, and he is saying the opposition is one thing. By the opposition side now, but you can make out something is wrong. You can't have two people criticizing. You can't say somebody is doing wrong and you can't have somebody else telling you that you are doing wrong.
As there are 10 MLS disqualification issue, it has gone further. So how do you see that? Because it has been delayed time and again. Kotan patta degun gela jay.
Okay, I will talk less about this. I will talk less about the disqualification, the matter sub judice. But certainly I will tell you that it is something wrong, and people responsible in our party for this mess, they have to accept responsibility and step down.
आज मिनिस्टर मायकल लोबोन एक स्टेटमेंट केलेलो आसा ह्या इश्यूचेर की असलें फुडें जावना जावपाक हेचेर वी आर वेटिंग फॉर कोर्ट डिसिजन सो दॅट वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द करेक्ट कोर्ट डिसिजन कितें जाता पळोवया पूण अशें फुडाराक जावंक उपकारना.
खुंयची तें
10 MLA सोडून वयता मदेंच दुसरे कडेन रिजॉयन जाता. प्रॉपर प्रोसिजर जावपाक जाय जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी करूंक जाता म्हणजे रिजायन जावन परते रिकॉन्टेस्ट जावचें तशें, बट नॉट लायक दीस मदेंच उडकी मारली आनी गेले.
कित्याक मरे उलोवपाक सोंपें, उलयत तें एक्झिक्यूट करपाक. Action should speak louder than words. I think Michael should talk less and show more actions. If he is really interested in saying that this, म्हणजे खरें 10 जाण आहा, 10 जाण गेले ते रॉंग जाले म्हण तेंगे तुगे पार्टी आहा, तुगे मिनिस्टर आहाय मरे, तुगे कॅबिनेट इकालीग आहाय मरे ते, तूं कितें उलयता?
ना पूण आतां जालें तें जालें, फुडें हांवें जावंक उपकारना म्हणटा तो.
जालें तें जालें, फुडें जावपा न्ही. आय थिंक वील क्लोज दीस. नो पॉयंट ऑफ